I'm 35, yes, and I don't have kids yet. It's okay. Hawak ko yung oras ko. I can go wherever I want. I can exercise. I can go for a run. I can go to Boracay by myself whenever I want. I choose to see the good side of it. So at this moment, I'm 35, turning 36. I don't have a child yet. I am okay with that. I completely accept and I surrender to the present moment. Because when you are not wanting anything or when you are not feeling lack, that is when blessings start to
Totoo
come.
yan. Pag yung ayaw mo na,
Oo.
saka dumadating sa'yo.
Totoo.
Pero yung gigil na gigil ka na
Wala,
gustong-gusto
obsessed?
mo, hindi binibigay
Hindi
sa'yo.
binibigay. You have to be grateful even if you haven't received what you wanted yet. Whatever you are desiring in this lifetime, feel as though you already have it and be grateful.
What do you desire now in your life?
Peace. Just inner peace. Pray. Really submit and surrender to God. Because that's the first thing that I did. I will never forget this. I cried on my knees on the kitchen floor and I said, Lord, I can't do this on my own. Please, step in. And grabe. I kept praying and I kept asking God to send the Holy Spirit to my heart to change me. Kasi pagod na talaga ako nun. And again, I accept that this breakup was meant for me to really finally accept my pain and to process it. Kasi yung pain na naranasan ko nun, hindi lang naman siya from the marriage, but from my childhood pa eh. And I think it was God telling me that it's time. So for single women out there who are going through a breakup, or men also, especially men, please don't run away from your pain. Feel it, and then grieve, and then pray to God to help you process your pain because He really will bring you through it.
Paano kanya